everyone, this is going to be a very short and simple video. This is a pencil holder, my fourth product preview design. You can hold pencils in here, although you can hold product stationary items of roughly the sizes that fit here. There are three compartments. You can hold pencils, pens. Here you have a whiteout bottle and a couple of old erasers. On the bottom, between each hexagonal compartment, there are several things written on it. One is my business name, and the other says pencil holder. And on the very back, there is another one which says a custom name design. You can write your own name, although in the model I have, it does not have any name written on it. That's the standard design. So each of these are different heights. The smallest one is 3 centimeters tall, the medium one is 5, and the tallest one is 8 centimeters tall. They're roughly about, I'd say 6 centimeters diameter. So yeah, obviously it has 3 compartments for differently sized items. This is the top view. Over here, this is your name written. This is my dad's pencil holder. I made it for his birthday. So it's a top rotational view of the pencil holder. It's not that thick, but it's fairly durable. Again, total time is fairly large, about 8 hours. Base print is 8 hours with text, up to 8 hours 20 minutes, even 8 hours 15 minutes maximum, I'd say. There's a limit to how much text you can write on it. There's an obvious limit of this space, so maybe I would say 8 characters per 2 lines, maximum of 16 characters you can write, first name and last name. So yeah, this is the view in Ultimaker Cura, which is the slideshow software I use. Set it to 30% infill, although you feel free to set it to a higher infill if you want more stability, to a lower infill if you don't need that much stability. So yeah, here's the gallery, a rotation view of the pencil holder without anything in it. It's a bit slow, sorry for the low frame rate of this GIF when compiling. And yes, it's made of wood filament, though you can change it to any material you wish. Wood filament just makes it look better. And here's the empty pencil holder from the side view, front view. And yes, the video is now pretty much over. Here's the drive link, public drive folder with one STL part file included. It's all one part, so no instructions necessary. Just slice the file, put it on your 3D printer, and then print. Just scrape off the scaffolding if necessary. This drive file is for the model with no text, and custom text models are coming soon on request. And more product previews are coming soon. Have a great Saturday. And just one more thing, as I said in my last product preview video, I'm planning to introduce a 3D printing business, which means I'm decommissioning all of my drive folders, as I'm not going to give free access to all my prints after a certain time period, but for now you can access my files. So have a great Saturday. More videos are coming soon, including music videos. Bye.